Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your error ALL.DLL files missing error. So for fixing it you just need to open your browser. So just write here Google, go to the Google, and in Google you need to write direct x and user runtime web installer. So you need to download this. So here you will see first just check if this official Microsoft's site, because it depends on files you are downloading. So just check if it's Microsoft, because you can also download some corrupting files, viruses, and that's why you also check from what site you download information or files. So just check here if choose your language if you don't want English but some other language, and just click download. So here you can see that it's successfully downloaded. So just open it. Click yes. I accept. Next. I don't want to install the Bing bar. Next. And now you just need to wait some time after it will install all the components. Here you can see that DirectX setup has determined that a newest or equivalent version of DirectX has been installed already. No installation is necessary. So I also installed already this version of DirectX. That's why I can't do it again. But also if you install it and after you install just click finish and restart your computer, your error will be fixed. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.